Alright guys, today I'm going to show you something big. I am talking about a level that literally pulls price like a magnet, and most retail traders don't even know it exists. It is quarterly opening level. Institutions watch it, algorithm loves it, and once you understand it, you will start seeing the market completely differently. So welcome to the investing guideline. Grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's break this down in the simplest, most practical way possible. Before we jump into analysis, I would really appreciate your support. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So first of all, I want to share with you why quarterly opening levels matter and how you can define them. Quarterly opening levels matter because institutions treat them as the reset point of every 3-month cycle, and price gets pulled back to them like a magnet. They give you the cleanest directional bias. Above is bullish, below is bearish. I know most of you know this, but I just want to repeat that again. 1 year has 4 quarters. The first quarter starts with January, the second quarter starts with April, third quarter starts with July, and fourth quarter, the last one, starts with October. You should know all of this by heart because before you start analyzing, you need to define each opening levels of these months: January, April, July, and October. That's it. So let's start analyzing. We are looking at Intel price chart. People who follows me already know that I've been sharing Intel since $23. After this long consolidation area, price took off and went to $43. So for example, I believe that Intel has still promising future and it will continue to go up. So which level I should wait to be buyer again? That level is quarterly opening level. Now I am checking, so what is the closest quarterly opening month? So since we are in December, which is the last quarter of 2025, opening month is October. I need to define the first trading day of October, which is right here. Let's play our chart and see. As you can see, after a little downtrend in smaller time frame here, October quarterly opening level direct price like a magnet. And you can see how price respect and took off from this level. Let's see another example. So this is Coinbase global stock chart. Let me share a little trick for you. Before you start analyzing, you need to go to time frames and choose 3 months. You can also set this as your favorite time frame by tabbing this star. Choose 3-month time frame because 3 months time frame, each candle represents 1 quarter. That means if you define opening levels of these candles, you define quarterly opening levels. As you can see, this one is July, this one is October. Let's define. When there is up candle like this one, the opening level is bottom. When there is down candle like this one, the opening level is above. We can go down to monthly chart and let's replay. You can see here how price respected right on the tick. This yellow line was the July opening level. It just touched and got reaction. Let's continue playing. And that's the magic. You can see this up candle revisited this quarterly opening level once again, took previous monthly low and pushed price again. So you should go ahead and apply to your charts. Define all the quarterly opening levels and retest it. These levels are not random. These levels matter because it shows institutional footprints. As I mentioned in my previous teachings, institutions cannot just buy and sell like we do. They need to buy gradually and they need to sell gradually because they manage huge capital. By doing this, they lower the cost of acquiring these assets. So you can imagine these quarterly openings as their average pricing. So they didn't buy only in these up candles. They also buy while price is dropping. So all the averages of these transactions equals to these quarterly opening levels. So I hope you enjoyed this teaching. I'm pretty sure if you study and test it, that will help you understand why price moved the way it does. Before we end this teaching, share your comments down below and tell me what you want to learn next. And I would much appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. There are more coming. See you next time.